Aunt Lisa is getting married today!
Today's gonna be perfect. Wait, something's wrong.
The wedding can't start!
What's going on? I need to find her, now. No, this can't be happening. Not now. Mike, come on, we're gonna be late.
I'm coming! Where's my tie?
It's on the chair, right in front of you.
Oh, oops.
Mom, look at my shoes! Are they okay? Tom, those are your sneakers. You need the black shoes.
But these are more comfortable. Mom, do I look pretty?
You look beautiful, sweetie.
Aunt Lisa is getting married today! I'm so excited!
Me too. Okay, everybody, let's go! The car is waiting.
Dad, how far is it?
About 20 minutes, honey.
20 minutes? That's so long!
Tom, be patient. It's a special day.
I love weddings! There's cake and music and dancing.
I just want the cake. Of course you do.
Hey, look! We're almost there. I can see the flowers.
Wow, it's so pretty!
Dad, can I ask you something?
Sure, buddy. What's up?
Why do people get married?
Because they love each other. And they want to spend their life together.
Like you and Mom?
Exactly like me and Mom.
Aw.
We're here! We're here!
That's strange. Why is everyone standing outside?
The wedding should have started already.
Look, people look worried.
Did you hear? The wedding can't start.
What? Why not?
I don't know. Something happened.
Mom, what's going on? Is Aunt Lisa okay?
I don't know, sweetie. Let's find out.
Excuse me, what happened? Nobody knows! The bride is missing!
Missing?
I'll find out what's happening.
Tom, wait!
I'll be right back. That kid. Excuse me, what's happening? Is the bride okay? Oh, hello. I'm the wedding planner. Everything is fine. Sort of.
Sort of?
There's a small problem. A very small problem.
What kind of problem?
I can't say right now. I need to fix it!
Okay. Let me ask someone else. Hey, Jake, do you know what happened?
I heard the groom ran away.
What? Really?
Maybe, or maybe it's something about the cake. I'm not sure.
The cake?
Or the flowers, or I don't know, honestly.
This isn't helpful. Uncle Dave, you're here. So you didn't run away?
Run away? No! Why would I run away? I love Lisa.
Then what's wrong?
It's about Lisa. She's not ready.
Not ready? Is she scared?
No, nothing like that. It's complicated.
I need to find Aunt Lisa myself. Aunt Lisa? It's Tom!
Tom, please, don't come in.
Are you okay? Everyone is worried.
I'm fine. I can't find my wedding shoes.
Your shoes?
Yes! My shoes! I packed everything, but I forgot my white shoes. I can't get married in sneakers.
That's it? That's the big problem? It's not funny, Tom. It's a disaster. Everyone thinks something terrible happened.
Oh no, really?
Yes, Jake said the groom ran away.
What? That's crazy.
Wait, Aunt Lisa, what size shoes do you wear?
Size 7. Why?
My mom wears size 7. And she brought extra shoes in the car for Emma's shoe emergency this morning.
Really? Can you get them? Please, please, please.
I'm on it. Don't worry. Mom, I need your white shoes.
My shoes? Why?
Aunt Lisa forgot hers. You're the same size.
Oh my gosh! That's the big emergency?
All this worry for shoes?
That's so funny.
Here, take them. Hurry.
Thank you, Mom. You're a lifesaver.
Go, go, go.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you, Tom. Thank you so much.
No problem. It's kind of a funny story now.
A perfect fit. You saved my wedding. Is everything ready? We can start now? Yes! Let's go get married. Everyone, please take your seats. The wedding is starting.
Tom, you're a hero. I just wanted to help.
I'm proud of you, son.
Look, here she comes. She looks beautiful.
You look amazing, Lisa.
Thanks to a very special helper.
Okay, this is not funny anymore. Hey, hello? Can anyone hear me? Help me!
Okay, everyone. Let's meet back here at the food court in 1 hour.
Sounds good. Tom, Emma, do you want to go to the clothing store?
Yeah, I need new sneakers. And I want a new hat.
Okay, stay together and don't wander off.
Yes. Don't worry, Mom. We'll be fine.
Here, Tom, take some money, just in case.
Thanks, Dad.
And Emma, stay close to your brother, okay?
Okay, Mom. I promise.
Have fun, you two.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Hi. Welcome in. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks. I'm just looking.
Sure thing. Just wave me down if you need anything.
This looks cool. Let me try it on. I'll wait for you right here, okay? Okay, I'll be quick.
The fitting rooms are over there, on the left.
Thank you.
Hi there. Do you need help finding a hat?
No, thank you. I'm just looking around. Okay, let's see if this fits. Not bad. I'll get this one. Huh? Come on, open! Wait, maybe I push it? Pull to open. I am pulling. Is this thing broken? Wait, is it locked or unlocked? This little sign is so confusing. Green means open, right? Or is it red? Okay, Tom. Stay calm. Just try one more time. Nope. Still stuck. Excuse me? Hello? Can somebody help me, please? Hey! I'm stuck in here!
This hat looks great on me.
Emma? Is that you? Did you lock the door? This is so like her. She's probably laughing right now.
Yeah, I am still looking around. Sorry, hold on.
Excuse me?
Ma'am! Can you hear me? Yes, I'm still here.
Great. Nobody can hear me. Hello? Anyone? This isn't funny anymore. Okay, new plan.
Attention shoppers, the store will close in 10 minutes.
What? No, no, no! I'm gonna sleep here. Alone. All night. What if there's a ghost in the mall at night? Somebody, please! Help me! Okay, Tom. Think. What would Dad do? Dad always says, stay calm and think clearly. Okay, calm, clearly. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna live in this fitting room forever! Maybe I can climb over the door? No, that's a terrible idea. Emma, if you can hear me, this is not funny.
Where are the kids? They're late.
Let's check the clothing store.
Emma, where's your brother?
I don't know. I was trying on hats.
When did you last see him?
He went to try on a shirt in the fitting room.
Let's go check right now.
Wait, how long ago was that?
Maybe 20 minutes ago? I lost track of time.
20 minutes? Emma, you were supposed to watch him.
I'm sorry, I was just trying on hats. I didn't think.
It's okay, let's not panic. He's probably still trying on clothes.
Or he could be looking for us. Let's ask an employee.
Tom? Tom, are you in there? Are you in there?
Yes! The door is broken! I can't open it!
Let me take a look. Oh, I see the problem.
What is it?
Your shirt sleeve is caught on the door handle.
Oh, that explains a lot.
You thought I locked you in?
Well, it did seem like something you would do.
Huh, next time, check your sleeve first, Tom.
Come on, let's go home. Big day today.
And Tom, no more trying on clothes alone.
Deal. Never again.
Ta-da! Perfectly grilled!
This is going great.
Still perfect! Maybe this wasn't such a great idea. Good morning, family! Listen up!
Here we go.
This year's Independence Day will be perfect!
Perfect? Like last year?
No. Better! I have a plan. A great plan.
What's the plan, honey?
Step 1, grill burgers. Step 2, fly the flag. Step 3, fireworks. Easy.
Is he okay?
We'll see.
Fire up the grill! Let's go!
Dad! Dad, look!
What? What is it?
The burgers! They're on fire!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Is something burning?
No! Everything is fine.
Honey, the burgers are black.
They're extra crispy.
Extra burnt!
Okay, new plan. Let's put up the flag.
Be careful, honey.
I've got this. Watch and learn.
Happy 4th of July, Dad!
This is fine. This is totally fine.
Do you want a towel?
No. I want a new plan. Ready, set, light it!
Dad! The alarm!
Mike, not inside.
It's under control! It's under control!
It doesn't look under control.
Outside. Sparklers go outside.
Right, I knew that. Okay, new burgers, new spot, new plan.
Honey, maybe we should just relax.
No! I've got a new spot, right here, under this tree.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm cold, but I'm okay.
Happy 4th of July, everyone!
Okay, one more try. Third time's the charm.
The sprinkler! Dad, run!
I forgot about the sprinkler.
Maybe today just isn't a perfect kind of day.
Yeah. Maybe you're right.
Are you sad our 4th of July didn't go as planned?
A little bit, buddy.
Why?
I just wanted today to be perfect. For all of us.
It was pretty funny, though.
Yeah. It really was.
The sprinkler was the best part.
Please don't remind me.
Dad, it's okay. Nobody's mad at you.
You're not?
No way. It was the funniest 4th of July ever.
You know, when I was your age, Grandpa always said something.
What did he say?
Every 4th of July, something goes wrong.
Really? Like what?
One year, the fireworks got wet. They didn't work at all.
No fireworks?
Not one. We just sat there in the dark.
What did Grandpa do?
He laughed. He always laughed. He said, as long as we're together, it's still a great 4th of July.
I like that.
Me too.
Not burnt, I promise.
Good.
Wow, look at that one.
It's beautiful.
You know something? I don't remember the burnt burgers anymore.
No?
I remember watching fireworks with Grandpa.
And now, with us.
Happy 4th of July, family.
Happy 4th of July! 4th of July!